The gas fireplace has two types of gas. Natural gas that comes from the street, or the propane, which is a bottle or a tank that sits next to your house. There's no chimney on a gas fireplace, but there's an evacuation. The evacuation can be done to the roof or to the outside wall. The reason why to get a gas fireplace, it's because it's very friendly user. With a remote control or a wall thermostat, you're able to turn it on and get almost instant heat. A yearly maintenance on your fireplace allows you to keep it functional and optimal for many years. Cleaning your burner allows all the openings to stay free to allow the gas to go through and have a normal flame. The essential maintenance tasks of your fireplace yearly. The cleaning of your glass with a specific product will allow you to remove all the soot from the glass and have a full vision of that flame at all times. The inspection of the evacuation once a year is recommended to make sure that the evacuation is not obstructed by anything. I highly recommend for you to give us a call so we're able to send you a certified technician that will do the maintenance of your gas fireplace for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this page. You will be able to find more tips on how to maintain your fireplace or your HVAC.